How do we feel about Valentine's Day? We love it.
It's stupid. Sometimes Valentine's Day can get complicated because it can make things seem more serious than they actually are.
Totally. Like, I consider us kind of more friends.
We've been dating for like a year.
Yeah, good friends.
I don't need Valentine's Day to treat my girl. I like to keep things special and spontaneous.
Isn't that what you said about Christmas? Oh my gosh, that would be such a cute Christmas gift.
Well, let's just keep things special and spontaneous.
Okay, I like that.
This year I plan on celebrating Valentine's Day by waiting for someone to notice me.
Spending Valentine's Day with a hookup is like giving a diabetic person candy.
Yeah, you don't want to be responsible for them going into shock.
I'm allergic to commitment.
This Valentine's Day, I think we're gonna have our annual sex.
Oh, we'll see. We'll see. We will see.
Valentine's Day posts are really stupid. It's just so dumb. Everyone's getting red roses and steak dinners and cute little teddy bears.
All right.
Look, they had a picnic in February.
Nope.